Welcome. We all say thank you, almost every day. But doesn't it sound boring sometimes to always say thank you? So here are some alternatives for thank you that you can use in different situations. Yes, thank you also has certain situations to be used in. Let's explore in a little depth. I appreciate it. This phrase expresses gratitude and acknowledges the value or help received from someone. It can be used in various situations, such as when someone has done you a favor, provided assistance, or given you a gift. Example usage: Thank you so much for helping me move the furniture. I really appreciate it. Many thanks. This is a slightly more formal way of expressing gratitude. It can be used in both personal and professional contexts when you want to show your appreciation for someone's actions or kindness. Example usage: Many thanks for taking the time to meet me today. I'm grateful. This phrase conveys a deep sense of appreciation and thankfulness. It's suitable for expressing heartfelt gratitude in situations where someone has gone above and beyond to help you, or has had a significant impact on your life. Example usage: I'm truly grateful for your support during my job search. Remember, sincerity and genuine appreciation are essential when expressing gratitude. Use these alternative phrases in a way that reflects your true feelings and shows respect for the person you're thanking.